Hi guys, how are you all? This is going to be a timeless watch. It's going to be in Hindi and English mix, and these are going to be messages from माँ काली. मुझे बहुत strongly feel हो रहा था that I should be picking a few messages from what माँ काली wants us to know. And while I was shuffling the cards, एकदम से ये वाला card आया and it says rainbow, which says the most difficult part of the situation is over. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप में से कुछ लोगों को ना अपनी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे पास्ट लाइफ कर्मास थे या कुछ ऐसे पास्ट लाइफ कार्मिक डेट्स थे दैट यू हैड टू क्लीन एंड वो कहीं ना कहीं काफ़ी ज़्यादा अब क्लीन हो चुके हैं एंड दैट साइकिल इज़ अबाउट टू रीच इट्स कंप्लीशन फेज. सो हो सकता है आपको 999 दिखे, 1010 दिखे, 000 दिखे. सो अगर ऐसे आपको कुछ मैसेजेस दिखते हैं या साइंस दिखते हैं, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ साइन दैट येस you are about to close a very important spiritual cycle or a spiritual chapter in your life which will make your life much easier. Okay, now let's begin with the reading. Okay, I have to take these two cards as well. Okay, so we have ground yourself now. Then we have shield shadows, shitful shadow side, balance your good, bad, and ugly. Then we have dream big, and then we have lighten up, earth school lessons suck, and accept your karma. So, like I said, जैसे हमने start किया था, and I told you that it is a lot about your karmas. So you guys are क्लीनिंग योर कार्मिक डेट्स. बहुत सारे आपके कुछ ऐसे कार्मिक डेट्स हैं जो सिर्फ पास्ट लाइफ के नहीं है बट वो मुझे इस लाइफ के भी लग रहे हैं एंड दैट इज़ अबाउट टू reach its completion phase. But at the same time I also feel that you need to ground yourself because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि या तो आप लोगों ने कोई शैडो वर्क किया है रिसेंटली और यू हैव बीन रीच टू दिस पॉइंट ऑफ सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस. तो जब हम अपनी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे जाते हैं उसमें जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, नॉट फर्स्ट बट आई वुड से, अगर आप सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस की जर्नी पे चले जाते हो सो 70% ऑफ योर वर्क इज़ डन ओके इन योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. और ये शैडो वाली जो साइड है इसमें आपने कुछ हीलिंग की है बट आप अपनी एक ऐसी सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस की जर्नी पे या एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे आए हो जहाँ पे यू आर एम्ब्रेसिंग योर बैड. ओके, यूर embracing your bad side, you're embracing your imperfections. आप अपने गुड साइड को, आप अपने गुड साइड को, बैड साइड को, अगली साइड को, हर चीज़ को एम्ब्रेस करते हुए दिख रहे हो. पहले आप कहीं ना कहीं बहुत परफेक्शनिज्म वाले फेज़ में थे बट अब आप अपने imperfectionism वाले फेज़ में हो वेयर you do not have any problem with your imperfections, where you are being able to unapologetically accept your imperfections. Okay, and when that happens, that is exactly when you become very fiery. You become a person जिसे कोई हरा नहीं सकता. You become someone who has nothing to lose. Okay, nobody will be able to defeat you. Okay, it seems that you are winning in life. This is what you are feeling. Okay, आपके अंदर एक ऐसी फीलिंग है जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है that you are just winning in life, no matter what is happening in your life, no matter what the external circumstances are, but I am winning in my life. Okay, I am doing this, I am doing that. So you are really happy with yourself. You are really happy with your journey. You're really happy with your growth, the way you are growing, the person that you're becoming, the way you are evolving. That is something that I think a lot of you are proud of. Okay, and that is the reason why you being able to dream big. I think you guys are being able to manifest bigger dreams. पहले हो सकता है कि आपके छोटे dreams होते थे. Let's say I want this bag, I want this, I want that, but now you have much bigger dreams. Okay, एंड ये बड़े ड्रीम्स कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, कुछ भी. So I'm not going to go into specifics of that, or even taking an example, because that will again restrict your mind. But you being able to dream big, that is for sure. Okay. अब आपका जो पहले शायद से आप में से कुछ लोगों का एक परसेप्शन भी चेंज हो रहा है when it comes to wealth, when it comes to abundance, when it comes to richness. Okay. Probably पहले आपके लिए richness was to have one designer bag for you, okay, or to have at least one designer bag for you. But now the concept of richness is changing for you, okay, and that is making you more you know um basically you becoming like a rainbow in your own life. Okay, you are blooming, you're glowing, you can see that inner glow. And it's not about whether people can see it or not, because I feel when people are going to see you, they might get triggered. Okay, they are getting triggered because the person that you're becoming completely unapologetic. तो जब आप बहुत unapologetic zone में आते हो, आप authentic zone में आते हो, तो आप लोगों को ट्रिगर करोगे. तो लोगों को ऐसा लगेगा कि ये पर्सन जो है वो चेंज हो गए हैं. ठीक है, उनको ऐसा लग सकता है दैट यू एक्टिंग वियर्ड, और प्रॉब्ली यू हैव चेंज, यू वर नॉट दिस पर्सन. ओके. So all of these, so people might feel that there's some kind of strangeness, okay, or you have changed, and they won't be able to accept, or they will feel some kind of discomfort when it comes to accepting the person you have become. All right, so you do not seek for anyone's validation, because I think right now your own validation is more than enough. But at the same, okay, it also says double pronged okay, I can't say that name because okay, it says lighten up. Okay, and you definitely you need to lighten up, and I think you are lightening up. It's just one thing that I see here is that you need to ground yourself as well, because ये जो energy ना ये इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है that it can also lead to some kind of spiritual ego. So Ma is also wanting you to just ground yourself. So maybe you can do daily reiki by repatterning your chakras or balancing your chakras, okay, with the intent of balancing your chakras. Or you can just go for a good walk, a good run, spending time in nature, spending time in aloneness. Okay, not doing anything, just spending time in aloneness. That will really help you to ground. Or whenever you go to temple, do not ask for anything, nothing, just breathe. Do sit in the temple for 5 minutes and just breathe, focus on breathing, nothing else, and that is also going to help you to ground. Okay. Then we have murdered mantra. It says earth school lesson sucks. So I think this is something that we have already talked about. Okay, you are understanding the life on earth, and you are embracing the life on earth. That is the most beautiful part about you right now. Okay, now let's see what else do we have. Inner child healing. Sexual union is important. Lingam healing for people in a relationship. Okay, so here, and we have reiki as well. So this is something that I've already told you, that you guys need to do some energy healing to ground yourself, just to ground yourself. And if you have been doing any kind of reiki healing for something specific, or any kind of energetic healing for something specific, definitely you will see a lot of improvements in that, you will see a lot of changes in that. Okay, that inner child. And also I do see that some of you have been trying to heal a specific wound. Okay, it can be an inner child wound, and it can be related to some father issues, or some kind of it can be related to certain sexual matters, it can be related to your relationship with the masculine energy, your own masculine energy. So that what I feel is that is kind of healing, and that is something that has been rooting from your childhood, probably when you were 3, 4, 5, 6 और 7, ठीक है, 3 ईयर्स से लेके 7 ईयर्स तक कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं आपका एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है मैस्कुलिन्स के साथ, या आपके अपने खुद के फादर फिगर के साथ, और प्रॉबेबली some kind of sexual assault, some kind of sexual harassment that happened and you have been trying to heal, and वो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत recently या किसी थेरेपी या healing के बाद वो चीज़ surface level पे आई थी या आई है, and now you being able to understand this situation better, now you being able to heal this situation better, and it is working. So anything that you wanting to heal from a long time, that is definitely healing. Okay, your traumas are being healed. Okay, so some of you, I do feel that you have some kind of doubt when it comes to your spiritual journey, whether you are on the right path or not, whether the ways that you are adapting right now, whether they are okay or not. So that is the confirmation for that. Okay, now let's see a final message from Ma Kali. Lot of messages. Ahimsa, Shiva. Here also we have Lingam healing and we have Shiva. Swadhisthana, wow, and we have Krishna. Oh my God. Okay, see, one message that we have from Ma Kali is टू प्रैक्टिस अहिंसा. ओके, ऐसा हो सकता है कि कहीं ना कहीं पहले ऐसा हुआ है जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत ज़्यादा, आप में एंगर इश्यूज आए हैं कभी, या किसी चीज़ को लेके अगर आपके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा है, आपको अनजस्ट फील हो रहा है, आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि आपके साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, आपके साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, और मे बी यू आर टायर्ड ऑफ हीलिंग a trauma or some kind of wound. Okay, or some of you are tired of waiting for your divine counterpart. All of that is being released. Okay, वो पूरी एनर्जी जो है वो कहीं ना कहीं काली माँ काफ़ी हेल्प कर रही हैं आपको उस चीज़ को रिलीज करने में, बट उसके साथ साथ मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है दैट यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट अ सर्टेन ट्रूथ जो आप एक्सेप्ट कर नहीं पा रहे हो. ओके, एंड उसको अगर आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आप बहुत प्लीजिंग वाले मूड में जा रहे हो. ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ शायद आप क्रिएटिविटी के थ्रू कर रहे हो, बट कुछ ना कुछ आप ऐसा कर रहे हो जिसकी वजह से, जिससे आपको वैलिडेशन सीख हो, और वो वैलिडेशन आपको दुनिया से नहीं चाहिए बट आपको किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से चाहिए. नाउ इट कैन बी योर डिवाइन काउंटर पार्ट, इट कैन बी योर फादर, इट कैन बी समवन एल्स, बट सम मैस्कुलिन फिगर, सम अथॉरिटेटिव फिगर, और वहाँ से बिकॉज आपको वो वैलिडेशन कभी नहीं मिली, सो नाउ यू आर चेंजिंग योर वेज टू डू द सेम थिंग. सो अभी भी आप वैलिडेशन सीख कर रहे हो, बट प्रॉबेबली अब आपके जो वेज हैं वो अलग हैं, वो थोड़े और क्रिएटिव हैं, आप कुछ और करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, आप सक्सेस पाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो किसी चीज़ में, वो चीज़ आपको नहीं करनी है. यहाँ पे आपको माता रानी एक ही चीज़ बोल रही है, वो ये है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में कोई भी अगर क्रिएटिव काम करते हो, anything that you do creatively, make sure that you have that attitude of playfulness in it. Okay, do not do it for anyone's validation. You do not need validation of this specific person, you do not need acceptance or acknowledgement from this person. You just need to be on the path of your truth. ओके, ये सब चीज़ें जो हैं दीज आर वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स. ओके, सीकिंग वैलिडेशन एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस, यू डोंट नीड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ओके, यू डू नॉट नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ वैलिडेशन. आई एम हियरिंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, एंड मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है आप में से कुछ लोगों ने ना इस पर्सन को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे दी है, एक्सट्रीम इंपॉर्टेंस दे दी आपने इस पर्सन को, एंड जैसे आप इस पर्सन को देखते थे या देखते हो वैसे ये पर्सन है नहीं. प्रॉबेबली यू गिव दिस पर्सन value of Shiva, or like some kind of guru or some kind of mentor in your life. Okay, or let's say for some it can be your own father as well, but now you understand, or now you see the different side of the story. Now you see a different reality. Okay, and that is something that you need to accept. और जब वो acceptance आएगी, there will be a small ego breakdown, और जैसे ही वो चीज़ हटेगी, then you will be able to step into your playful energy. Then you will be able to enjoy your life. Then you will be able to enjoy your creativity. Because ऐसा लग रहा है आप अभी भी कुछ create कर रहे हो, अभी भी आप कुछ creativity कर रहे हो, but वो क्रिएटिविटी कहीं ना कहीं ब्लॉक हो रही है, बिकॉज उसका जो पीछे का रीज़न है सक्सेस का वो कुछ और है. But here, universe is asking you, Kalima is asking you to just enjoy, be in your feminine energy, be in your creative energy. You can also worship Lalita Tripur Sundari. Okay, you can worship Bhuvaneshwari as well. So they are definitely going to help you, and be more playful, be more joyful in your life right now. Okay, be more compassionate, less violent, walk on the path of your truth. Okay, protect your purpose. Do not others, or do not any masculine figure that you have been always looking up to, do not let them pollute your purpose. You are letting someone pollute your purpose. Do not let that happen, because whatever you are doing, it can, literally change your life. It can also change other people's lives as well, but for that you need to be in your playful energy. You need to, yeah. Okay, and you can also work on your Swadhisthana chakra, which is your sacral chakra. So sacral chakra will bring more loving energies, more creative energies, more playful energies into your being, into your body, into your purpose as well. So I think that is it. I hope this message reaches to the right audience, and whenever you meant to hear this, I hope this message will reach out to you. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.